What's up, everyone? This video is real simple. Can an LPN complete the comprehensive assessment? So if you're in a regulated state and you are required, not all registered states require this. If you are in a registered state and you are required to have a registered nurse create a comprehensive assessment, and you're wondering, can you hire your fabulous LPN or you're an LPN to do that comprehensive assessment? The answer is no. A registered nurse is trained and skilled to complete a comprehensive head to toe comprehensive assessment. So if your state requires a comprehensive head to toe assessment, then it needs to be done by a registered nurse, not an LPN. Now, deviate for a slight moment. Some states will allow an LPN to do a supervisory visit. If your state allows an LPN to complete a supervisory visit for existing clients, guess what? Most of them require that an RN sign off on the LPN's work. Now, I can tell you based on my personal experience, registered nurses that I've worked with and that have worked with me do not want to sign off on someone else's work. So you got to be very mindful of that. So I say the best thing is to hire a registered nurse to do the comprehensive assessment, not an LPN. So LPNs have a plethora, many of them, of skills and knowledge. However, there are specific roles that they would just be fabulous in, right? However, it's not that particular one. Now, if you're in a non-regulated state, or a state that does not mandate a comprehensive assessment, then absolutely an LPN would be fabulous to go out to do an assessment, right? So we're gonna remove that head to toe comprehension from this title, if you will. So an LPN can definitely do an assessment. An LPN can put together your plan of care or care plan, service plan, whatever it's called in your state, based on those prereqs that I just mentioned, right? So it just depends. So I want to make sure you guys are clear. What else can an LPN do? An LPN, of course, can provide services if you are in a state that's offering skilled nursing, like one off the top of my head, Georgia, Maryland, right? So it just depends on where you are and the type of license that you have, if you're able to offer any skilled services. And then yes, an LPN can complete those tasks that are what, guys, within an LPN scope. Right? So you want to make sure every single person that you hire will always be working within their scope. Very, very important. There's things that an LPN may specialize in a nursing home that may not cross over to a home care agency unless you are offering skilled services. So it's very important, guys, to understand the rules and regulations in your state and make sure your policies and procedures directly correlate with those rules and regulations. An LPN is great as far as an instructor, teaching your caregivers and, being over the CEUs, right? An LPN is great as an administrative assistant, a scheduler, an administrator assistant, an alternate administrator, a community liaison. I mean, there's so many different hats an LPN can wear. It's just really all about training, because people that are not registered nurses, LPNs, can also serve in some of those job titles as far as capacities that I just mentioned. So it just really depends on what you want and how you're running your organization and what your goals are. But the purpose of this video is to let you know that if a comprehensive, head to toe comprehensive is a requirement, then definitely you want to hire a registered nurse to complete those tasks, right? So guys, this is your coach coming to you from the ATL. Comment below. Let me know what questions you have. Let me know what your thoughts are. I gravitate towards your comments and questions, and it helps me create the next video or the next series of videos. So let me know what questions you have. Comment. Let me know that you found value in these videos, and definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications by clicking that little bell. You can find out more about me and my services on my website, which is myhomecarecoach.com, myhomecarecoach.com. So you guys take care. God bless. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.